This is part 5 of Unit 2 in Python. We are going to understand about operators. The operators help us to perform or do some kind of computation. Operators get operated upon operands. So, for example, if I have A plus B, plus is the operator, A and B are the operands. The term here is operands. Plus is the operator. Now, the operators can be arithmetic, relational, logical, and assignment. Arithmetic operators, it includes plus, addition, 10 plus 20 gives me 30, minus subtraction, 30 minus 10 gives me 20, into multiplication gives me the result, slash division gives the result in floating point values, uh, double slash integer division doesn't give me the result in floating point values, it's only in whole numbers. It rounds off to the lowermost value, that is here it 25 integer division with 10 gives me 2.5, but then the answer is still 2 only. The remainder is using the modulo operator, and star star gives me the power operator. Relational operators, these are the comparison operators. Now they can be greater than, less than. To compare equality, I use double equal to operator because single equal to is assignment operator. Not equal to is exclamation equal to. Then I have greater than or equal to. Then I have less than or equal to. And these are the corresponding examples. 20 greater than 20 is true, but 15 greater than 25 is false. 20 less than 45 true, 20 less than 10 is false. 5 equal to 5 true, 5 equal to 6 it is false. 67 not equal to 45, yes. 35 not equal to 35, no, it is a false since 35 is equal to 35. 45 is greater than or equal to. Here, the condition is either it should be greater or equal. So, here equality condition is there. So, it is true. 23 greater than equal to 34. No, 23 is not greater than or equal to 34. Less than or equal to, here it gives me true. 13 less than or equal to 12 is a false. The next is logical operators. Now, the logical operators can be used to combine several conditions together. Like I can combine two relational operators, two comparison operator conditions here. If 13 less than equal to 12 and 4 greater than equal to 3. So two conditions can be combined here. So an AND operator wants both the conditions to be true. True and true will give me the result as true. True and false will give the result as false. For the OR operator, there should be any one true. True or false will give me a true. False or false will give me a false. If both are false, then the result will be false. And the last one is not operator. Not will negate the operand. Not false will give me true. Not true will give me false. And operator wants both the conditions to be true, true and true, or wants any one to be true. If any one is true, the answer will be true. Assignment operator. Now these are the various assignment operators. So equal to 5 gets assigned to x. If I have x plus equal to, so I write it as x plus equal to 5. So this means x equal to x plus 5. So consider if 5 value, if x value is 12. 12 plus 5 will give me 17. 17 will get assigned to x. Please understand here the right hand side works first and then the value gets assigned to x. 12 minus 5. 7 will be the new x value. 12 into 5. Then 60 will be the new x value. 12 by 5, 2.4. That will be the new x value. Thank you.